Why do you think that experiences of transformation often employ the journey motif in order to describe the nature of the experience? And that's because the term ecstasis, right? Ecstasis, right? Implies transport. It implies
crossing over.
It implies moving from who I am now to who I'll become. Motif. And so it's interesting that so many stories, right, like Eat, Pray, Love being a key example, employ this motif of the journey to illustrate a character's path towards healing, right, towards growth, towards apotheosis. Of course, Joseph Campbell, the mythologist, identified the journey motif as the hero's journey. And he says the mythology by which an individual lives requires him to use this hero's journey motif to impregnate his life with a semblance of meaning and signification. We use this
meta pattern.
We use this as a set of codes and symbols that actually give us reason for being. It gives us the biological advantage of consciousness is that it allows us to endow our lives with a narrative, a larger grand narrative that marries something finite to something infinite. And through this technology, through this mythology, through this biological advantage that we have grown to become the dominant species on the planet. There is like a Darwinian reason for us having consciousness and for us being creatures that seek meaning through these journeys of transformation, through this journey motif of transport, of crossing over, of becoming, of evolving, of transcending. This is who we are, right? We are the storytelling animal. We are the journeyers. We are the seekers.
I'm very highly educated. I know words. I have the best words.